gotta turn the light on for y'all. You gotta turn it down.
Let's see the results.
Yeah, let's see the results. When you make it to the top. What's good, boys and girls? This your boy King Mark, the Fresh Boy, and I'm bringing another video that my cousin took over my channel again. This is part 3, and this time my cousin's showing you how he make his brownies. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, turn bell button, comment below, and share your favorite family. And do not forget that subscribe button because it will help the channel out. Hit me on Instagram and TikTok. Show your brother some love. And also, just watch the video to now to the end of the video. I'll see y'all next time. Deuces. Go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy.
Is your boy what?
It's your boy. Shit. Unknown. You feel me? You feel me? But today, guys, we're finna make a cake. No, not a cake, a brownie cookie. You know, last video, this is a part what? 3 part 3. Yeah.
This is the third part.
Third part, yeah. So let's get ready.
So, what you cooking now?
I'm cooking. I'm finna bake brownies. Brownies.
Okay, brownies.
You know the brownie right here? Cookie that you feel?
Okay.
Got oven on. I was ghost trying to get me in.
I don't know what you...
Oh, you know, the first thing I'm gonna do. I'm in love with that. Yeah. I got it for the Lulu. I'm missing the number 1 room.
What?
Whoa, bro. You know how we do it over here, boy. You know it, boy. I bring out like a pack of gloves. Now you know, not on 2, 1. Nah, gotta get a pack, boy.
Bruh.
Yeah, okay. Get ready, y'all. Don't look at me like that, boy. But look at me. Crossbad, God. Alright, cocoa right now.
Okay.
Remember what I said? Every drop.
Of course, every draw you're gonna rip the bag up.
God,
That's nothing new.
Yo, I built new. Okay. You gonna go there for that?
Really?
Well, why? Okay.
So you making brownies?
Look at your skin.
Are you making brownies? Yes or no?
Look at your skin.
Everybody wanna know if you making brownies. Cause this time ain't no cake.
God,
ain't no cookie.
Said when we first started this day. Alright.
We wanna know. Again, make sure
Again?
you... Yes.
Again? Itching. What's wrong with you itching? What's going on? You straight? You bathe?
You gonna put an egg in there?
Don't worry about me. Do your job on recording.
I am recording.
Okay.
I'm a cameraman.
Shh.
Or
That oil, boy. You know what?
oh my God! I gotta turn the light on for y'all. God damn! Oh my gosh. What else you missing? You looking around.
I miss something. You know that son?
I don't think you missing nothing. Just need third
Boy, do you know
round.
how to cook?
What's third round?
Boy, do you know how to cook? Alright.
Can you third round?
Say it right.
Don't worry about it. How I say it.
No, that was it.
Wait, get too close. Hey, right. Hey, don't do it.
Don't worry,
Boy, go to the camera. Turn around.
I ain't gonna do it. Okay. You get it. You gotta go stop. All rocks, right? You want me rocks? Shit. All rocks.
Oh my God! This boy about to fall.
Say it.
This boy about to fall.
Should I add a little bit more?
It's up to you. You a cooking person.
Gotta look it up, y'all.
This boy looking up. Oh boy.
What you need for a brownie? Yes, chocolate chip cookies. I know what you need, right? And the rocks. I'm gonna bust a bag of them. Yeah.
Bite it! Bite it like a little monkey. Go on, bite it! There you go. Yank it. Use them tiger teeth. Ah! Grab it, pull on it. You almost got it. That's it. Ah!
Hard open. Oh!
Mmm.
True. Hell, man.
Why you gotta say my name? I ain't do nothing.
You true.
Tripping? You tripping?
Yo. My damn cookie though.
nothing in that bag.
I ain't gonna tell him something here or not.
There's nothing in that
Yes,
bag.
it is.
Oh my goodness.
Shut up and watch. Oh, so I'm trying to shit, bro.
Really?
Why you running for?
I'm right here. I ain't moved no word. Ain't moving.
Oh my God!
You like my camera? Yeah, you're fine. What the freak?
Oh my God!
Excuse me, sir. Sir. Sir, can I get my food? Please. Hello?
Red Maurice. And he start. What is going on with this boy? I never seen nobody who do this in the kitchen.
I'm back.
You back? Did he say he back?
I don't know. Alright, let's taste it. You want that?
That was recorded for 14 minutes.
Alright.
Get this roll. Yeah, that cookie though, it gonna come out. That amazing. Promise. It took me a minute to spin. That's my cousin. Okay. You know what I'm finna do? Put this thing in this pan. Get this thing going. So you know what I'm gonna do? Ain't gonna make it like nice and like ain't like in one spot. So I'm gonna get like little, like, you know, dump it, right?
What are you doing? What I hear is. Alright, look, just nothing. Just
Wait, it's on my thing.
you just put it. Why you do this? I'm ready. What you ask? Alright. He's very good at him. There's nothing about. What are you doing?
Alright, y'all. Time to see. Oh my God! Let's see the results.
Yeah, let's see the results. It's done, everybody.
It's done. How it look, y'all? Damn. How it look? Sweet. Good. It look good.
Now let's try to cut it and taste it. Show people how it is.
Damn, what is this?
Oh my God!
That look good. Salt.
Should like a cookie?
Good. It's a brownie.
No, dude, got a little cookie to it. Cause you put cookie in brownie.
It do. But that's it, y'all.
Yep, that's it. Already did that.